Unbelievable! But the previous video smashed all the charts and racked up 150 views. A few people even left comments. Well then, I have no moral right to abandon you. So here we go. A new work of cultural resonance. At the microphone, your humble servant, Robo. Behind the camera, the ever-talkative Mr. Robertson. Let the show begin. First of all, I'd like to introduce our developer, Cody. Cody, say hello.
Here's what I'll tell you, kid. Game development is no easy business. There's no place for the weak-willed here. So either toughen up and be patient, or get out.
That was Cody. In the upcoming episodes, this guy will try to explain complex things in a simple way and inspire viewers to achieve new heights. Let's take a look at what he's working on right now. The first game we're going to build will be quite simple. Something Minecraft-like, where the main goal is to head into a mine and gather some gold to upgrade your character later on.
Now, it's time to dig into the code. The key thing to know at this stage is that the game uses an entity component system for solid performance and clean, manageable game logic. All components stay loosely coupled, which keeps the game feeling alive.
And most importantly, it's the speed of developing mechanics. Good architecture is the key to finishing everything, and that really matters. It's better to spend a day studying solid architecture than 3 months rewriting the entire project. And now let's take a look at the prototype. It looks like crap, and that's exactly how it's supposed to be. At this stage, we sacrifice visuals for fast development. We'll polish everything else later. Let's add rarity to the blocks. In this example, grass will drop more often than gold or stone. The rarer the resource, the more valuable it is to sell. I've also created different types of drills, but we'll implement the purchasing system a bit later. Here they are: steel, ruby, and gold. Each one has its own drilling speed. I think we can add more stats later. Drop your ideas in the comments.
The game will be released primarily for Android, and we'll try to optimize it so it runs even on the most potato devices.
And that's where we'll end this episode. Your feedback truly matters to me, so don't hold back. I want to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.